you could turn all these cans from this into this. Using this, then this video is for you. I got this old kit on Amazon for 248 bucks. Instructions are pretty detailed, they look okay. Hopefully with a couple of beers and some basic hand tools, I can throw this together, screw it to the wall and start smashing some cans. That's the big can smashing ram. This is part of the feeder hopper. Can crushing body, some hose, airline, control solenoid, some air fittings. Comes with some tools. These ones are part of the cycling ram that drops the cans down into the smasher. And some fasteners, and that's about it. It comes with tools, but I'm going to use the power tool version. Once you got the wall brackets on, you put the big cylinder onto the crushing body. Now it's time for the feeder assembly. There's a push rod and a pull rod. You can tell because one's in, one's out. Assemble these with some air fittings. Now there's these carbon fibre rods, and that's how you assemble the feeder frame, so it makes like a little wire basket. It's pretty fidgety, but I think there might be a better way to do that. You just got to mess around with it to get all the holes lined up. Now this mounts onto the crusher body. That's that bit done, starting to look like something now. I think we're onto the pipe work and some tubing. First up, got to install some fittings in this little spring actuated solenoid. And we pop these out. Three-way air fitting in this end. And the elbow in this end. Next we're going to run some air tube between all the different cylinders and valves. There's the rubber cap off. Put on the big smash cap. Test one, let's hope I come out with all my fingers still. Loads it. That is the flattest can I think I've ever seen. Have a look at that. That thing is flat. If you've got any questions on the can smasher, let me know in the comments. Happy to help out. If you like this sort of content, check out my other videos. I'll throw them up here somewhere at the end. Other than that, see you in the next one.